Welcome back to another video. Today we have the giant liquidation, making room for unbeatable tool deals. Sale starts today. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more Turbiz to deals. Alright, yeah, pretty much we got another sale that they have. Giant liquidation. Pretty much typical for Harbor Freight. But we do have some coupons. It's a sale starts today, valid through 3/31/20. So basically you got a whole month to get these items. So you got a 12-inch dual bevel sling compound miter saw, $129.99. Pretty much it's a nice little saw, little beginner's saw. Definitely recommend it for you guys. Heavy duty 3-ton low profile steel floor jack, $97.99. Yeah, this is a little lower than what we've seen before. Usually we see this for $100. Now it's $97.99. I do have the Daytona version of this, so basically it's this one. I gotta say it's really nice. I do have the review on my channel if you want to check it out. Just put 3-ton steel professional Daytona or Daytona jack tool head 147 up on the section of YouTube, and you can find that video. But anyways, these are great jacks. Even the Pittsburghs are great, so definitely recommend any of those for you guys. And I do have this one too. I did actually buy a chainsaw sharpener, and I sharpened this. Cuts like butter. 7-amp electric pole saw, 9.5-inch bar, $59.99. Great deal on that. 2,000 watts super quiet inverter generator for $49.99. These inverters are great. It's generator inverters. Portable garage, $169.99. You got the 4-drawer 30-inch tech cart, $139.99. This is definitely a great deal. Usually we saw this for $149, I believe. But yeah, this is one of the lowest we've seen. So if you need a tech cart, this is not the 5-drawer, still 4-drawer 30-inch, pretty big cart. 6-inch 5.7-amp variable speed dual action polisher, $59.99. Got the ratcheting tie down, $6.99. You got the Franklin 17-foot ladder, $109.99. You got the Emerald dry box, $349. Works. I did do an upgrade, like how to upgrade, how to put like different tips on here. I did different videos, like 2 different videos. And I did put a foam cannon on this too. So all you do is switch out the parts for the Joby parts, and they just go into this gun. You can watch that video too. So just put Portland upgrade, Portland pressure washer upgrade, tool head 147, and you'll see those videos. $79.99. This is a great little washer there. Haven't used any of these except this one. I do have this one. Works pretty good. Like I said, I do have a video of this one too. I do take out lug nuts. I do torque them to 100 and I believe 100 pounds, and it just takes them out like butter. So definitely recommend that for you guys, especially if you're just a DIY. If you're a professional, I wouldn't go with the Bauer. I would go with the Earthquake XT. But yeah, this will definitely get the lug nuts if you're a DIY. You got the killing batteries. Orange are okay. I would definitely go for the blue ones. You get for $1 more, you can get the blue ones. This is a good shop light. Definitely recommend it for you guys, especially at $19.99. Great. It's a great drill here. I do have this. $59. It works pretty good. You know, drills holes, does what it's supposed to do. I mean, it's not the fastest, not the most powerful, but it will get a DIY project done. Definitely a project done. Got the swivel wall TV wall mounts, $9.99. This is great little wall mount for the TVs for the home. $67.99 for the electric chainsaw. This seems to be a pretty good small chainsaw for pruning and, you know, lighter cuts. This is the Earthquake XT I was telling you guys about for $229.99. This is a great price, guys. It's a 20 volts, 1/2 inch extreme torque. So this does I believe 1200, yeah, 1200 psi. I mean 1200 torque, foot-pounds of torque. Got the welders here, 639. This is an unlimited 200 professional multi-process welder. These are the new 24 12-volt color changing LED outdoor linkable string lights, $44.99. Got a 25% off any Apache case. It's definitely a great coupon there. And feel free to take a screenshot or a picture on the computer of all these coupons and use all these coupons at the cashier or online. You can use them online too. It's a 4-gallon backpack. This is mostly for DIYs. It's a light use backpack. These gloves are great. These are mostly for I would say the DIY mechanic or the mechanic professional. I would go 7 mil and 9 mil is the best ones. But yeah, 7 mil, you could do, I would say DIY, oil changes and brake jobs. Those are great. 10% off any Bauer vacuum. So these are the new vacuums. This is a 9,000 SUV winch with remote control. This is the old one, I believe. The new one's really nice. It's about $600 or $700 with the coupon. But yeah, it's really nice. This one, they say these work pretty good, except they're kind of slow. They get overheated sometimes, but they do work. They're just slower, It's not, you're not spending a whole lot of money on this. This is just $299. 24 feet. It's this pretty much the same as the other one, except this is white or black. But yeah, it's a nice extension cord or extension light for $21.99. I do have this one. Works pretty good. I gotta say, it does have a laser. I do have the video on my channel. Check it out. I did install some baseboard with this, or cut some baseboard, and all the cuts were sharp and were accurate. And I'm planning on buying this, so I might be getting rid of this and just pretty much. You got this 26-inch by 22 single back extra deep cabinets, $279.99. We seen this cheaper. I believe we seen this for $250. So you got the ultra quiet oil free professional air compressor for $149.99. See what else. I use this one. This one's a really good. I definitely recommend it. We used to see this for $19.99. Now we have it for $24.99. Get the 3-1 portable power pack, $49.99. Let's see here. You got 56 by 22 double bank tube cabinets, $679. It's a good one here. 20-volt lithium cordless 1/4 hex compact impact driver kit, $59.99 with the battery and charger included. Here's another pole saw with the battery and charger. Oh, I have this. Well, this one's a newer item. This is the heavy duty foldable aluminum sports chair, $19.99. I do have this. I started a V8 with this. If you guys haven't seen that video, but yeah, check it out. Just put a Viking tool head 147, and you can see that video. I do have a couple of videos on that. This is a great hose. Definitely recommend it for you guys. $18.99. This is really nice hose there. I did get that, by the way. I do have it. This is the winch that I was telling you guys about. This is the upgraded winch from Badlands. It is really nice. It's upgraded. All this is upgraded. The hook, everything. So $5.99 is not a bad deal. I do have this. Works pretty good. The video is on my channel. So just put 1250 lumens rechargeable work light, tool head 147. You guys would see that video. But yeah, it's a really nice light. Let's see here. If I'm going too fast, feel free to rewind it. And you can take a picture on the of the coupons that you guys need. But yeah, these sockets are great. Any of these impact sockets from Harbor Freight, they are great. Let's see here. We got the trailers. I do have a folding trailer like this from Harbor Freight. It's a modified, but it's not. It's no longer folding anymore. But yeah, it works pretty good. $339. It is a modified Harbor Freight trailer. This is a great deal if you're starting as a mechanic. You know, this is not gonna put you from a lot of money that you have to pay. It's only $1,000 and it'll get you a big box, 72 by 22 inches. I do have a solar system on my house. I do have several different panels, not just these. I do have these and they still work. They've been sitting out there for a year and a half already, and they still work, baking out there in the sun. They're still charging my batteries. So I do have a few videos. If you guys are interested on those videos, just put solar system toolhead 147. You'll see all my videos. So we got any more? It's a great light. Definitely recommend it for $4.99. This used to be free. Now they're not giving. Same thing with this. Now they're selling everything. It's not giving any more free items except for the lights. These gloves are great. I do have them, worth $4.99. It's another new item here. 25 feet self-locking tape measure. It's basically you just stretch it out and it just holds its place. You press this button and it'll wind it up in. Anyways, just a quick video for today. Like I said, I wanted to go pretty fast. Just show you guys what these coupons are. Feel free to take a picture on the computer or a screenshot. All right, don't forget to smash the like button, hit subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.